Acharya Lucky, please unmute yourself.
I'm sorry. I want to know which business will suit for me for throughout life. Horary number is 49.
Acharya is your name or is it your title?
Title
What Acharya you are?
in astrology.
Astrology, and you are coming and asking me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is your number?
49.
2-digit number 49.
Yes, sir.
What astrology are you practicing?
Vedic, Parashri.
Parasat. Very good system, but accuracy doesn't come.
Yes, sir. Yes.
In Krishnamurti Paddhati system, we have the level of accuracy that we can predict. And it's a
Yes.
very nice thing to learn along with Parasari.
Okay.
I have been asking for someone to collaborate with me to combine Krishnamurti Paddhati system with Parasari astrology and come up with better predictions. Perhaps finer intuitions, finer details, we can work it out. So contact me through WhatsApp. I certainly would like to talk to you about this.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, profession is seen from 10th Bhavana, sir.
Yes, sir.
10th Bhava starts in Pisces at 50326. Sublord is Saturn. Saturn, a delay maker in Rahu Nakshatra, Sadabhisha Nakshatra, owned by Rahu. And Rahu is deposited in the 11th house. Very nice. Mercury has come now, sir. You can certainly shine in astrology. Saturn, Rahu, Mercury. Anyway, let me open the professions list. As you know, I have put together the world's largest list of professions.
Oh,
So
great.
this is available in Advanced Astrology course. You can download it and you can use that. You don't no need to do any intuition and analysis. And remember, there are millions of professions. How can you remember all of them? It is impossible.
Okay.
So better to just use a sheet like this. So we are interested in Aquarius, in Saturn sign, in Rahu star, Mercury sub. Saturn, Rahu, Mercury. There you go, sir. Journalist, novelist, editor, publisher. Sorry, I'm talking Jupiter's star. That's a mistake. There you go. Sense, Saturn, Rahu, Mercury. Senses, counterfeit, statistics. These are the three areas that you can focus on. So try and apply, for instance, if you're able to do application of astrology for fraudulent cases, you can specialize in that, okay? Or where there is application of census and application of statistics in astrology. There are so many areas where you can apply this.
Astrology will suit me.
Will suit you. Number, no. Mercury has come.
Okay.
Where is Mercury in your horary chart? Let us see. Is Mercury owning the 4th house? Yes, Mercury owning the 4th house. And Mercury is in the 11th house. Mercury is in the star of Sun. Where is Sun? Sun itself is in the 12th house, owning the 3rd house. So it's very clearly come. No, 4, 9, 12, 4, 11, 12, 3 also has come. Where is the 9th house of Lord? 9th house of Lord is Venus in the star of Saturn. Where is Saturn? Saturn is deposited in Aquarius at 1304. 100% guaranteed you can become an astrologer and succeed in that space.
Thank you, sir.
But focus on the application of astrology for the areas that I have told you.
Last one question. Astrology teaching or astrology consultancy?
Consultancy, you can't teach.
Okay. Consultancy is main.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Good luck, sir. Be blessed.